Now our wand tool has another option to it called the quick edit tool or the quick selection tool. Let's have a look at it. If you come up here to where your wand tool is at, you can see that it's got this little bitty triangle here located right underneath it. You can actually click here and hold down and it'll actually bring up your quick selection tool, which since it's highlighted, as you can see there's a little square here meaning that the magic wand is highlighted, but if we come up here and grab our quick selection tool, there we go. Now it has a circle with a dot in it. Now this is a different brush size, so you can actually bring this brush size up by coming up here and bringing up the diameter of your brush, the hardness of your brush, and the spacing of your brush. And when you click, you can see it selects in a circle pattern. And I can hit right here, and as you see, it selected all the blues within that because within that radius, it takes a sampling of all the colors in there and then applies it to everything that touches within it. So if I come over here and grab this green here, as you can see, it grabbed every green that was within that circle. But if I come over here and have the green and the blue, as you can see, it selected a lot in here. It kind of got confused. But if I clicked right there, look, it selected a lot of this. So you can play around with your quick selection tool and have it select in different colors that you want to. It's a lot easier whenever you're looking for something that has very gradient color and you just want to grab it quickly. So play around with it, have fun, and enjoy.